Hello guys, my name is Shaima. So today I will show you how to allow customization for cabinet size. So first I drag height cabinet here. Let's see the height first. Okay, the maximum height is 2400. Let's say I input here 2500. Click enter. Okay, it won't allow you to change. The maximum is 24. Okay, so how to custom? Go to tool, settings. Okay, go to furnishing. Then you scroll down, you will see allow customized process dimension. Alright, then click yes. Close it. Okay, try to delete the cabinet first. Then drag another cabinet. Okay, then try to change the height. Let's say I change it to 27. Okay, so it will go up. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It allow you to change above the maximum range. Okay, let's say I put 2800. Okay, so it will go up. Okay, right, let's say we change the width. Okay, the maximum is 1100. Okay, change it to 1200. Okay, so it will allow you. Right, so that's it. You guys can try out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you guys.